Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is cusor 1.0, and here's my README file. And I activated the chat window over here, and I wanted it to add a section about the futility of man, and that's very pertinent to any README. So you can see the text here, but then I realized that maybe this wasn't the best place to get philosophical on my GitHub repo. So because I used the cusor chat, I can go ahead and restore the checkpoint, which in this case is basically just going to roll back everything that I have done or that the chat had done. But maybe I will do something different. Let's go ahead and create a new chat. And this time I'm going to say, I'm going to use the @ and then the file, and then the arrow keys don't work, so you have to hit the enter to activate it. And I'm going to focus on the README file. Add commentary about the usefulness of GitHub branches while developing code. That's probably more pertinent to a GitHub repo. And in a moment here, we should be able to see the changes. There it is. So this is what has been added, and the red is what is going to be overwritten. And I'm going to go ahead and accept this as okay. Click accept, and now you'll see that it has been updated, and actually it didn't update my timestamp, but that's not the end of the world. Let's take a look at what this looks like in preview mode. And you can see the screenshot, and then repository details, and then what was there, repository content, and then working with GitHub branches. Very good, very happy about that. And now I can Control B, go to my GitHub, and I'm going to add that as a change. Courtesy changes courtesy of cusor chat, formerly known as Composer. Right, I click commit, sync changes. And you'll see that everything's on main, and here is the repo with all of my changes included. All right, that's a quick demonstration of cusor chat and how to roll back checkpoints. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.